show? The joy to come in and speak to middle schoolers is just my heart is to inspire kids.
Celebrity chef and Lubbock ISD graduate Angie Ragan understands that school can be challenging.
I had one teacher figure out, no, she's smart. No, this is what's going on. And she knew about dyslexia. And so come about 4th or 5th grade is when I kind of got my stride in school, but I was never a great student.
As Chef Angie shared her story and her experience competing on Fox Network's Next Level Chef, she explained that challenges shouldn't keep students from reaching their goals.
I just think it's really cool that I met her.
8th grader Julia Williams says Chef Angie's message inspired her.
So I'm a painter, and I just think that's really cool that she said to push your dreams, and I'm going to try to do that with painting because I think I can really paint really good.
If you chase your dreams, that you can go so far like her.
And the message really resonated with 8th grader Tamiria Green.
She's like me, kind of. I can't read that well, so that was my favorite part, that she said that she can, when she can barely read, because I want to be a baker.
Chef Angie loves you. So you're going to be a baker? Oh my gosh, I need a baker. I love that you said that. You're awesome. I love that more than anything. So many times in life we need to hear, you're not on an island. And for her to be able to hear, listen, I had to work my butt off because I don't read too well. I have learning caveats, and to hear that she does too, and that maybe she can understand, oh, I can be a baker.
Chef Angie says she'll continue to share her story with the hope of inspiring more Lubbock students to reach their dreams.
I love that I'm a Lubbockite. Oh, I went to Haynes, and that's gone now. I went to Evans, and I went to Monterey, I went to Tech, and I love my community. It's actually a position of faith for me that I reach out to my community and that I make my community a better place, and that I give my community as much of myself as I can.